Mammoth Door, servicing Southfield, Michigan, offers complete garage door installation and repairs in Oakland, Wayne and Livingston counties. As your one-stop service provider, we can handle your garage door needs, both big and small. We are known for providing personal service and exceptional quality. Our competitive prices and overall value are why our loyal customers will not go anywhere else. We fix any make and model of garage doors and openers, regardless of where it was purchased, new or old, residential or commercial. Broken springs, cables, rollers, gear and sprocket, chain, opener, or a bent door, we can handle it. If we are unable to repair your garage door or opener, your consultation and the service call are free. Please call Mammoth Door at 248-636-0645, or visit our website at mammothdoor.com.